Today we are going to use two different lights, the colorful LED and the RGB light. First, let's take the power module, the switch, and the colorful LED. There's also a transparent plate. We'll take 3 cables. The LED has positive and negative. We need to connect positive of the power module to the positive side of the LED. Connect the switch. The light is on. It's because I forgot to turn off the switch last time. Okay, so we can turn on, turn off. And if you look at the light, it has changed to different colors. Okay, let's put the transparent plate on the light. So you can see it's red, blue, green, purple, yellow. Let's turn off the light in the room. Whoa, so colorful! Now let's try a different type of light. Remove the LED. And take the RGB color. There's also a positive side. And we have 3 different colors, red, green, and blue. Let's connect the positive of the power module to the positive of the RGB light. Connect the light to the switch as well. Turn it on, it's red color. Now let's turn it off and change to green color. It's green now. And lastly, we'll try the blue color. It's blue.